Hello, welcome to this video. In this video we will see a question based on projection of lines when distance between n projectors are given. Question is, a straight line PQ has its end P 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. The end Q is 80 mm above HP and 70 mm in front of VP. If the end projectors are 60 mm apart, draw the projection of the line. Determines true length and true inclination with reference planes. Now since one end is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP, draw the reference line, mark a point here. From there you mark P dash, that is at a distance of 20 mm above. Now also it is given that the top view is 30 mm in front. So from here you mark a point 30 mm in front is below in top view. So from here you mark 30 mm downwards and mark that point, name that point as P and do the dimensions. This is 20 mm and this is 30 mm. P dash is above 20 mm above horizontal reference line and P is 30 mm in front, that is below reference line. So name that P dash and P. Also draw the reference lines, locus of this. Also draw the locus of this P dash and P. Now since it is given that other end is 80 mm above HP and 70 mm in front of VP, so keep some distance from here, mark a point here, and from there 80 mm above you mark, from here you mark 80 mm upwards and draw a reference line, draw a locus like this. Also from here 70 mm in front is again top view, in front is below. So from here below you mark 70 mm below and draw a locus of that point line, locus of that point. Just draw a locus. Now it is given that distance between end projectors are 60 mm apart. So from here you draw a line at mark a point 60 mm away from this, from here, and draw a vertical line like this, and which this line meets this 80 mm line here and 70 mm line here. Now connect that point to P dash to Q dash like this. Also you connect P to Q like this. Now P dash as center and P dash Q dash as radius. Draw an arc to the locus of P dash. Then drop that point to the locus of Q like this to get Q2. Similarly, P as center and PQ as radius. Draw an arc to the locus of P like this. Name that point as Q1 and drop that point to the locus of Q dash. So you will get Q1 dash. Now connect P dash Q1 dash and PQ. This is true length of the line, P dash Q1 and PQ. Now on measurement you can get this angle, the actual angle of the reference line, actual angle of the line with respect to horizontal plane, that is this angle alpha is equal to 40 degrees, and the actual angle of the line which it makes with vertical plane is 25 degrees beta. Okay, this is 25 degrees. Now similarly the front view makes an angle, front view is P dash Q dash, P dash Q dash makes an angle 45 degrees with the reference line. Also the top view PQ makes an angle 34 degrees with the reference line. Also you can on measurement you can get the front view length P dash Q dash is equal to 84.8 millimeter, and the top view length PQ is equal to 72 millimeter. True length we can get P dash Q1 dash or PQ as 93.8 millimeter.